In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the code from Framer. This is a handy skill to have up your sleeve when you want to understand or modify the underlying structure of your designs, or perhaps integrate them into another project. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to click on the element you wish to obtain the code for. I want to emphasize that this method applies universally across all elements within Framer. Whether you are working with text, images, buttons, or other components, the process remains consistent. Having this universal approach simplifies everything for you, ensuring there are no unexpected surprises as you switch between different elements. Once you've clicked on your desired element, direct your attention to the right-hand side of your screen where the editor panel is located. This panel is your gateway to all things related to the element you've selected. It's packed with useful tools and options, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to it. In the editor panel, start scrolling down. What you're looking for is a specific button labeled Edit Code. This is the magical button that opens up endless possibilities by granting you access to the code itself. A quick scroll should lead you right to it, and once you've located it, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the code editor for the particular element you have chosen. Now you can see the code displayed for that specific element. You have the power to view, analyze, and even modify the code to fit your needs. Whether you're making minor adjustments, learning new coding techniques, or seamlessly integrating this element into another project, this feature provides the flexibility you need, and there you have it. That's how you retrieve the code for any element in Framer. I hope this step-by-step guide simplifies your journey and empowers you to make the most out of Framer's capabilities. If you found this tutorial helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Engaging with our content not only supports us, but also ensures that you'll stay updated with more insightful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.